Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X6 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So just a quick disclaimer, this way of enabling the Google backup will work if you do not have your Google account currently added. If you've got one, you will just have to choose it from the list. If not, just follow all of these steps. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. Then let's tap on Backup and Restore, and here we have to scroll back, not scroll back, to find this Google Backup section. So let's tap on Backup, and as you can see, we have to add the Google account. And as I said, if you've got your Google account added, you will have to just choose it from the list or something similar. So let's tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. From this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly and tap on Next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And right here we've got the information about the backup, so you're able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on Turn On. And again, we've got the backup section, but this time we can check, for example, how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files which are stored. Under it, we've got the backup details, so basically you can check what has already been backed up, and the advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off. Thanks to it, you can avoid some additional charges. Alright, so to finish everything, we simply have to tap on Backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.